and I'm going to go to my programs, and I'm just going to go to Filezilla, which is an FTP client. It's free, and we'll give you a link for that with your credentials. So I'm going to click on that. This is the Filezilla interface, and right up here is where you're going to put your credentials in. So in this case, I'm going to put in connexus.com and my password, and you'll get all these credentials when we set up your web hosting and your website. Once you've typed in the username, or the host, the username, and the password, go ahead and hit Quick Connect. You're going to see the site connect up here in the upper left. It'll say directory listing successful. On the left hand side here is your computer. You can see a pathway up here of where I'm at right now. I'll scroll this up a little bit. There's my desktop, my computer, and all my different files, and I can navigate down to where I have the file folder that I want to deal with, and that is demo website. I have it right here. So when I click on this, it's going to show me down here in this window what's in this folder, and it's got a little plus sign. You can do the plus, and I can hit the folder inside of there, and that'll be what's inside of that folder. So whatever you click up here is going to show down here. This window over here is the same thing. It's just for your web host space, and this will say your website name. And as you can see, there's already some files out here right now. If I hit the plus sign, it'll show me all the folders that are inside of this folder, and if I click on it, it'll show me what's inside of that folder. And as you can see, these two are the same now. So I'm going to go to demo website, and I'm going to go to the main level of this right here, and I'm just going to grab the default ASP. I'm going to pull it across, and I'm going to let go. Now what this interface is asking me is saying that I'm taking this file name, this default ASP from this location on my computer, and I'm moving it out to the website. This is a folder, and this is the file name. So I'm moving it from here over to here. And it's just asking me if it's okay to overwrite it. Now if you don't want to see this every time, you can click this always use this action, which I don't recommend, because when you drag something over, it's good to know if you're overwriting something, because once it's overwritten, it can't be brought back. So in this case, I'm going to say yes, because that's what I'm doing. I want to upload. I've made an update to my website or something, and I'm uploading that new file. You'll see the activity up here, directory listing successful. Files that are being transferred will show you the status down here. Another feature that we have up here, if you go up to File, you can copy the current connection to Site Manager, which will allow you to save these defaults and name the account, so that when you come in the future, you can start Filezilla up. Simply click on this little triangle here, and it'll bring up a list of all your FTP connections, and you click on it, and it just goes right to it. It's very simple.